What's the night? What's the night? What's the night? Ha 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 ha. Silly. Ha ha ha. Silly. Ha 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 ha. Silly. Ha 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 ha. Silly.
Am I the only one who is happy? Snow.
So I took this tray with, actually I should say I'm borrowing this tray from the cafeteria, and I'm going to use this to sled.
I wish a little bit more people had fun in the snow. I hate when it's hot outside, people complain and they ask for it to be cold and snowy. But I hate when it's snowing and everything, they wish it was hot. Like, why can't you just have fun in both weather conditions? At least that's what I can do.
So you're telling me you can't have fun in the winter on this hill? Oh God! I got that backwards! Oh! 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 Okay. 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 Oh, keep going. Keep going. Alright, what I'm going to try next is start all the way up there, then go down this thing all in one run. Let's try it. Let's try it. Did you guys just see that? I almost ran into my phone. Holy cow. Alright, so my fisheye lens that I have, it has like this fog on it that I can't get off. Like, I came in after I shot that last shot and I noticed that it had a nice fog on it, and I seem to can't get it off. Like, check it. I'm point this outside, alright? And put the lens on. You see that? See the difference? See that? So that means no more fisheye lens for right now.